Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students and learner, once again, welcome in today's lecture. We have started unit number 13. So, our today's lecture is lecture number 5. So, let's start. Our today's competency is writing and lecture number 5. Look at this. This one is the first SLO apply editing and proofreading skills to a range of different text and contexts. This is the first one. And now let's look at the second SLO. This is very comprehensive SLO. Write arguments to support claims with clear reasons and relevant evidence. It means that this is what argumentative uh, writing. So, number one, introduce claims, quote claims, use words, phrases, and clauses to clarify the relationships. In the same way, establish and maintain a formal style. And the last one is provide a concluding statement. So, dear learners, this is about formal writing. And what type of writing? The writing is argumentative. So, now move to the next two slides. First at vertical linkage and then brainstorming. And after learning about these two slides, we will go ahead and try to understand our main topic. Now, move to the board. Yes, this is vertical linkage and very comprehensive SLO in class 6 as well. Now, this is the brainstorming activity. When you write a formal letter, what makes it convincing? Yes, what makes it convincing? And how do we explain our reasons and provide evidence clearly? With these two statements, now we have connected with the main topic. After connecting with the main topic, let's start it. Yes. Yes, this is argumentative formal writing. Look at this. Yes, argumentative formal writing. Argumentative writing is used to convince or inform someone in a formal way. And for this purpose, we use letters, most probably, or email as well. We give a claim. It means that main idea, claiming main idea, and support it with reasons and evidences. Yes, always maintain a formal tone and style in this type of formal argumentative writing. So, dear learners, I hope so. Now you have a little bit clear about what argumentative formal writing. Now move to the next stage and try to understand more about this topic. Yes, what is claim? How we can make a claim? Making a claim. A claim is the main point or idea we want to convince someone about. That is called claim. For example, how we can make a claim. Our school should start a recycling campaign. This is our main point or this is our claim. Tip: be clear and direct why we are telling or talking about the main point or making a claim. So, dear learner, this is the way of making a claim or the main idea for what? Formal letter. Now, move to the next slide. Look at this. Organizing reasons and evidence. How we can organize the reasons and evidences. After the claim, yes, after making a claim, we give reasons why it is important. Yes, what is important? The what? Claim is important. For strengthening claim, we provide reasons, add evidences, facts, examples, or experiences. This is what? Reasons. It strengthen further your reasons. And next, look at the example. How we can do that? First of all, look at the reason. Recycling reduces waste. This is reason. Evidence. Last year, the city reduced 30% of waste by recycling programs. This is the evidence, this is the fact, and also it is an example in its own form. So, to clear furthermore about this particular point, we can look at this picture. What? First of all, we have to make claim, and to make the claim strong or strengthen the claim, we put reasons and evidences and examples so that our claim becomes stronger. So, dear learners, this is a simple process. First of all, we have to create or make our main point or the claim. After this claim needs some sports, and this sport is in the form of, first of all, yes, evidence, reason. Now, move to the next slide. Maintaining formal tone and style. Yes, it is also very important. When you are writing argumentatively, your tone and style play very important role. Use polite and professional words. Yes, use polite and professional words. Avoid slang or casual language. Yes, it disturbs or it affects your formal tone and style. Look at the example. Use I kindly request your permission. Instead, can I do this? Yes, you should use very formal tone and words. So, dear students, now you have cleared a new point, and that is we must be, our tone must be very official. Now, move to the next slide. Using words and phrases to connect ideas. Yes, during this type of writing, we must use connectors. Connectors should be phrases or words like this. Use linking words to make ideas into flow. Because, therefore, in addition, for example, as a result, these are the connectors. These are called as what? Linking word as well. Yes, these words helps the reader understand how your reasons support your. So let's start, dear learners, and come to the next slide. Concluding politely. Yes, it is the last part of this type of writing. Concluding politely. If we want to conclude, it should with polite words. End your letter, email with a polite closing. For example, I hope you will consider my request. Thank you for your time, or sign off sincerely your, and you have to put your name at the end. So, dear learners, in this way, you can make your ending or closing polite by using such type of the words. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, look at this. Uh, Editing and proofreading. Yes, editing. When you have concluded your whole letter or email, after that you must edit and proofread to ensure if is there any error to remove that one. It is very important activity. Editing. Check if your ideas are clear and organized. Proofread. What does it mean? Check for spelling, punctuation, grammar, and style. And look at these steps. Number one, read aloud to see if it sounds correct. Yes, whatever you have read, read aloud. And then check for mistakes in spelling and punctuations as well. Third point, ensure formal words and phrases are used, are there if they are there. And unfortunately, if such type of the formal words are not in our letter or email, we must include them to make it formal. Yes. So, dear learners, it is a very important step, and I hope so you have understood it. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, model letter example. Look at this. First of all, we have made a claim, and claim is our school should start a recycling campaign. And now we are going to put reasons and evidences to make strong or make it strengthening. Like cycling reduces waste. The city recycled 30% of waste last year. Definitely, on this statement, combines with our make our claim, then it will feel strengthened. Now, linking words like because, therefore, for example, we should add conclusion. Yes, like this. I hope you will consider my request. Thank you. So, in this way, we can conclude our formal letter. So, dear learners, these are the very simple steps. Now, I hope you have learned a lot. Now, move to the next stage. There are simulations for you people, worksheets are there, our resources are there for you people. Along with this PPT, we have worksheets, skill sheets, lesson plans, and question banks also there. You must get advantage from these free resources. Now, dear learners, at the end of this, I must say thank you so much. And I hope you have learned this topic very clearly. And I hope we will meet once again tomorrow with the new lecture. Till that time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.